Hi guys, we already get our recliner seat. This is a black leather gel from Ofex company. This is the power recliner sofa. It is 3-seater. So we just arrived, I think yesterday. We just pick up today. So this is it, guys. And this one. So we need 2 pieces of.
They were smart enough to put a piece of cardboard here for when people go.
Yeah.
Open the whole box.
Yeah. Because it's happened to us, right? When we order some selling pan like that. Oh my God! All the blades is scratched, so we need to put it back because that is their fault, not us. When they are checking it.
Alright.
So here we go, guys. This is our sofa. So I hope Kevin, but this one, this one baby need to cut it. I can't. Just be careful on that.
Alright. So I think this is top. This is back. So this is gonna have to go there when we're done. So,
Can drag it? Oh, I will ask the worker. Okay.
okay.
So,
Yeah,
this is
nicely.
yeah.
Good.
And they cover it. I like because they cover it nicely with this
Yeah.
one,
Oops,
right?
sorry,
So
babe.
it's okay.
Yeah.
I will remove this when you are moving it for you guys. Oh. So the color of this is black, which is black color. I think the color of this, they have 3 colors: beige, brown, and black. So we get black. And brown, you can get it manual also, not power. So now we're waiting for what do you call this?
Recliner chairs.
Yeah, recliner. A single power recliner
You
seat.
pull that out?
Yeah, I will pull it, baby. Like this. So it's just like
I'll
that.
lift if you can pull the cardboard out.
Okay.
I'll lift if you can pull the cardboard out.
Okay.
Listen, baby. I'm on this end. Thank you.
I will put in the cardboard. Oh my God. Okay. Pulling the.
Pull it all out?
Yeah.
Can you pull the whole cardboard out?
It's set here.
Okay, that's good. Go ahead and fold that down.
You didn't cut this way, that's why it's not folding. You should cut this way. Just wait. So I'm cutting this way. Can you cut it? Yes, thank you. Finally.
Hold it.
No? Okay.
Pull it back up.
Sorry guys, it's just unboxing. The box is
Okay.
not good. Ouch. Oh.
Alright, pull the cardboard out.
Yeah, I will pull it.
Ready?
Yeah. Okay. Oh, someone falling down there. What is that?
Ready?
Yes. Oh. The plug, the plug.
more?
Yeah. Oh, what is this? You need to cut this. I will cut, baby. Just wait. Give me a second. Hit the wrong button. So, I don't know what is this, guys. Oh, this is for what? For the arm?
I'll see the back.
For the back.
But I don't know for sure.
And this is for the...
I'm gonna get this cardboard out of here, baby.
Okay.
Unbox it over there on the tile.
Okay.
Push that box under it.
Okay. So Kevin is removing the cardboard. have them here. And also this piece of the cover. Oh, we can cover. We can cover this one for the fridge, but the lady teacher, right, how to set this, but we need to remove a lot of here like this, so we need to assemble this. We need only to remove this piece. And some cushion here,
Okay, there you go.
like that.
Oh, you want to take that off?
Yeah, I want to take this off.
Okay.
Okay. So this is how Kevin will be attaching it.
Okay, it's on, that's on.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, that's locked in. Little Velcro down. Done.
Okay. That is the invoice paid already. So we paid this 32,499. What is that, baby?
Where?
A wire from there.
Yeah, I think it's for the power.
Yeah, there's a wire
For
there.
this side.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, next.
There be still pieces here, baby. Can you get it? There be still pieces here. I will get it.
Okay.
Can you?
Ready?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh.
Hold on, let me
Yeah.
get on the side. Lift.
Okay, guys. Okay, we already removed it. Another paper. I don't know what is this thing. We found like these 2 pieces. Oh, this is showing how to assemble. Oh, it's in the end here. Like this.
Oh, those are there.
Yes. But where's this?
Oh, this was the middle.
Oh yeah,
This one's got the track on the side.
we're wrong.
No, they had it in the wrong spot.
Yes.
So this is gonna be this side. Because there's nothing there. This would have been the middle. I'll have to figure out how to get it apart. And
That one should be on the other side.
that's what that is. So this is the middle.
That one have. But it's wrong.
Huh? What side is it on?
Oh, here it should be here.
Yeah.
This
This one's this
should be
side.
on the other
This
side.
one's this side. And that's the middle. So this one comes over here.
So we need to remove this guy because we need to remove this guy. We need to remove this
I
one.
need to
pieces.
lift on that guy.
No?
There.
Okay.
Hold on.
Another side.
Okay.
Oh. So we need this one to put on the other side.
Where's the wire?
Yeah.
Okay, got it.
I will help you with it.
Lift up.
Okay.
Go over there. Also. Okay.
Perfect. So I will show you guys how it is look like on the
One of these.
this one.
This one goes here.
Is the back. Then we need to attach this one piece like that. So there's a piece of metal there. Okay. Yeah. So we have
Okay.
3 pieces. The middle one is that one, and this one. So, and we need also to make like this nice thing. Okay. You need the other one. Sorry guys if it is blurry. So Cabino is putting that way.
I don't know why you want to do that. For some reason you want that to stay on there. You need to take them off at the end, dude. Yeah, look. I'm putting the grease and stuff down here. So leave that one on until I get it on, okay?
Finally guys, is done our recliner seats. Oh, one piece. One piece more. And the plug.
Alright, where's the plug in?
I don't know where you want to put this. I think on the other side here.
I'm not sure where the plug plugs in. What does it look like that's gonna plug into the couch?
Like this and have a clock.
Okay.
Just like a
Oh,
jar.
yeah.
And the one you can plug it nicely. Yes. Put like that. Anyways, our sofa is very nice. It works so hard, this one.
Okay, get up.
Still, it's not safe on the. I thought it's a job. Not safe like this.
I don't know how much room you want
To recline it.
to recline. Once you get on
Okay.
and recline, I'll watch. Get your power button.
This one?
I don't know. There you go. Keep up.
Okay.
No, walk away. Okay. Alright, no, don't touch anything.
It's very nice.
No, you're gonna have to get up.
Okay.
Or too heavy.
I'm so heavy.
That's so
What's
heavy.
wrong with you? Why it's not fluffy baby anymore? Maybe it's because it's.
Because it's not broken in, baby.
Maybe this one is split. That's why it's not fluffy anymore.
What? What do you mean fluffy anymore?
This one is so hard.
What?
So hard, just try it. Okay, perfect.
Yeah, there you go. That's it.
So guys, that is our sofa recliner seat. This one now, right? This is
Sorry?
we'll try this one.
Okay.
Okay. Okay guys, that's our recliner seats.